Hello and welcome. Today, we're excited to introduce the GorillaLine Max, the ultimate retractable clothesline for both indoor and outdoor use, designed to make your laundry routine a breeze. This heavy-duty clothes drying line is incredibly easy to install, taking just minutes to set up, and features a locking mechanism for hassle-free use. With its space-saving design, you can effortlessly retract the line with a single touch and tuck it away when not in use, making it perfect for any living space. The GorillaLine Max extends up to 13.9 feet, allowing you to hang everything from wet towels and bed sheets to cloth diapers, saving you money and being gentle on your clothes. Its modern design seamlessly matches any home decor, whether in your laundry room, bathroom, or balcony, and hides away in seconds with its easy retracting feature. As seen on popular shows like The Today Show, CNN, USA Today, and Fox, the GorillaLine Max is your go-to solution for efficient and stylish air drying. Embrace the convenience and elegance of the GorillaLine Max and transform the way you dry your clothes today. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.